So we're getting emergency alerts here in Batangas for the floods. And what does Team Bam Bike do? We build bam boats. That's what we do. Laging handa. May tubig sa deck! It's been raining like crazy in the Philippines, and we're doing our Team Bam Bike team building workshop. Well, not really a workshop. We're turning our gathering and team building into a build your own BAM boat workshop. So what we're gonna do is harvest a couple poles of bamboo and then break our different departments into teams so that they get to interact with each other, and we're gonna have a boat building competition to ride through the floodwaters, see which one floats, which one can navigate down a little stream. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna see how the team collaborates and how the different departments work together and create a fun BAM boat little activity. So there are already some bamboo poles which are falling because of the storm, so we're gonna have to clean these up anyway, but we might as well use them for our little workshop. Nick, how do you feel about our upcoming bamboo boat project?
I'm excited about it. Hopefully it would work for us, for everyone.
Well, we'll have fun with it. I think that's the important part. Team building, we're gonna, just see how everybody works together, and then it'll be fun to take advantage of the floodwaters here in true Filipino style. And then, we have some flooded areas and some rivers that have formed. So we're gonna test these boats out later this afternoon.
Bye.
Baka yung clippers, ingat ka. Baka ladder. Baka putol na yung ibang. Baka putol yan muna para may clear ang daan, yung branches. Pwede rin gamitin ng branches para sa boats. Oo. Ang support cutting para may ibang ano. Yung boats pwede rin may tinik para battleship may tinik.
Tatanggalin ko na. Para hindi na sumabay. Wala ba dyan natin kuhan? Yung ink ko nalagara. Wala ba nakahawak doon sa tala?
Wala nang lumang bala. Lahat ng mga lagari ganyan walang bala. We're here in Batangas hosting the first ever Team Bam Bike Bam Boat Challenge. So the assignments have been given out, the teams have been broken into their groups, and they're all working hard on coming up with the design and, importantly, having the best teamwork, most creative design. And then we're going to do a float test, see how fast it can run, and then we also appreciate style points. So it's going to be an exciting afternoon. We'll see what they all come up with. Naks naman.
Pagka kasi slots na ganun. Ito, preno. Wala po. Hindi siya nalagari.
Wow! Kailangan pa? Mga ilan ba? Oh, galing!
Paganon. Dikit or ipin?
Sige.
Out the race course. Well, depende. You can pick based on your boat. I mean, of course, we'll try to see can they run here, pero it's manipis eh. So, we'll be realistic naman and just for fun naman. Yun, dito mas malakas. Oh. So, we're scouting out the race course. Dito din, may agos. Hindi kuryente. Kuryente is electricity. I said kuryente. That's current. But, yun. And then, don't go into the black hole.
Maganda.
Ano, what's your team name na?
Aero Mechanics.
Okay.
Built for speed.
Built for speed. May team name ba kayo?
Meron po.
Ano?
Secret po muna.
Secret.
Okay. Secret daw. May team name ba kayo?
Meron po.
Ano?
Bambang ka.
Bambang ka. Okay, pwede na. Baka Titanic yan.
Lapit pa.
Okay. Hala, ganda. Oh, may team name ba kayo? Bambaha. Okay looking good So we're getting emergency alerts here in Batangas for the floods. And what does Team Bam Bike do? We build bam boats. That's what we do. Laging handa. Maybe someday we'll be Coast Guard Auxiliary. Who knows? But bam boats will take to the water. Okay, gonna test. Let's check the flow. Oh, it floats. Maybe you can surf this actually. Oh. May team name ba kayo? Wala, team no name. Okay. It will come to you. Okay, first team to finish.
Team E.
How has it been for you so far?
All of us built, everybody contributed.
All right. Bambaha. And then the review. Dun, 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 dun.
May tao kami, sir.
Yun.
Bakit siya? Si Magena, nag-expert ng Christianity.
We all know how that ended. Okay guys, 30 more minutes. May 30 minutes. Oh, pressure. Kaya-kaya.
4 o'clock ang deadline.
4 o'clock, umpisang presentations.
30 minutes.
Tested ba? Floating ba?
Not yet.
Hala.
Lupang yan. Luwala lang.
Talagang po ba naman?
Sa gilid-gilid lang.
Okay guys, 10 minutes. Wow. Ten, 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 ten. Wow, 4 o'clock. All the boats are here. Wow. Wow, magaling. Ano guys, how was it? You had fun ba? Okay, so the team that presents first will be Ay. The team that presents first will be picked out of a hat. Drum roll. Team D, Aerobangcanics. Okay.
Talaga, so pang mabilisan talaga siya. Okay? So, yeah, we solely use bamboo. Hindi kami gumamit ng plastic, ng styro, ng inkan. So, hindi kami gumamit ng gano'n para talaga, sustainable talaga. Tanse, yeah, and supposed to be tela siya, wala kami sale. So, yun lang ginawa namin. And by the way, dahil ginamit natin ng Inco brands, machines, to blue, sponsor tayo ng Inco. Bidegas tayo. May meron din tayong exhaust sa likod. Then, pag lumubog, submarine siya. Pag lumutang, bangka. So, hindi tayo sure doon ha.
Flexible.
So, flexible siya, flexible. And kayo?
Ambidextrous.
Ayan, dahil gawa nga siya ng Pinoy, meron tayong pandila ng Pinoy. Baliktad siya kanina, nasa red, yung red na sa tayo. Ikutin mo para makita mo yung camera. Ayan yung red. Yan, yay! Okay, ay mag-electric ko kayo. Wala na.
Okay, congrats. Okay, next up is drum roll. Team C, Bam Buddies, afloat. Hey.
Plus pa yun. So we are group C.
C, yeah.
Ano nga? Bambadis afloat, yeah.
Okay, so yeah. So gumamit po kami, of course, ang main materials namin ay bamboo. Of course, main materials ay bamboo. And then, gumamit kami ng mga reusable materials, which is plastic bottles. So why not, kung instead of itatapon yung mga plastic bottles yun sa basura, why not gamitin natin siya as flotation device? Yeah. And guys, lastly, kung mapapansin niyo po, ang laki ng bambalsa namin. Para kasi siyang bambike as a company. Yung bambike nag-expand na yung company namin. And ito, Sir Brian, and yung kanyang mga team. Kaya siya malawak, malaki. Alright.
Yeah. Mamaya na, ha? Dito tingin. So, yeah, sustainability, but doesn't mean kailangan na natin iwasan yung mga plastic bottles. Why not? Yeah, sinabi niya kanina na gamitin natin something useful. Instead na pakalat-kalat lang siya dito sa mga dagat or something kahit saan, why not gamitin natin siya sa recycled, something like that. Tapos, harap mo ay, nakikita niyo to?
Yeah.
May krus dyan.
May krus pala.
So, kapag di kami nanalo, di nyo love si Papa Jesus. Thank you.
Alright.
Okay, congrats. Okay, next group, drum roll, please. Team B, Bangkay.
Okay, ginamit din namin ito. Ay, sa personal life.
Kami yung Richard, kami lang.
Wait lang po.
Diyan natin, ito yung tiyan natin. Okay, ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Butong lansay, tabi-tabi po sa bangkay. Lulubog, lilitaw sa saradong buhay. Bamboy, everyone, we are Team Bangkay.
And why bangkay?
Actually, bangkay is derived from two words, babangon and aakay. Babangon means rise from the dead, muling pagkabuhay as well. Aakay means moving forward, but not being alone, but being with everyone as well. Being with community as well. And actually, in life, we tend to create mistakes, we tend to be a failure sometimes, but let's not forget that there's always chances for everything as well. So basically, babangon, we should continue moving forward, but don't forget you're not alone in that journey because along the way, you're gonna meet someone, maybe it be your friend, or a special one that would actually help you to achieve your goals in life as well. And there's more.
There's more po. And may historical context din po siya kasi sa kasaysayan po natin, naniniwala yung ancestors natin na ang kamatayan ay hindi katapusan ng lahat. Kundi ang kamatayan ay panibagong yugto lang ng paglalakbay. So, ang kamatayan po ay hindi opposite ng buhay. Karuktong po siya. Ganun po. So,
And also, why bangkay? Because we are deadly. Lahat, lahat ng babangga sa amin sa race mamaya. Lahat ng bumangga, giba. And technically speaking naman, we use a raft type design na boat namin kasi we are trying to maximize the buoyancy of the bamboo as well. And bamboos are quite hollow, so basically may trap air sa loob para makatulong siya mag-float as well.
tapos gumawa rin po kami ng wide base and flat na base para mas pantay yung distribution ng weight at mas maging stable yung tubig. Ay yung boat once na nasa tubig na siya.
And para sa sail naman, naglagay kami ng naglagay kami na malapit siya sa center para ma-balance siya.
And yung design naman nito, ng sail, ay may skull combined ng bamboo kasi nire-represents niya yung adventure saka yung pag-overcome natin sa mga challenges. And yung bamboo naman po ay directly connect siya sa bamboo ecotours.
And just like that, kailangan nagtutulungan tayong lahat to achieve everything that we wanted to achieve in life.
And actually po, yung concept nito ng design po ay gawa ni Josh Nell. So if may dadagdag ka po siya, sa akin na yung floor. Sige na, dagdag ka muna.
Hindi, yun. So, hindi naman namin mabubuto nang hindi kami nagtutulungan. So, we're thankful to each other na nabuo namin yung concept na binild or idea ko. Yun na lang po. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, congrats! Okay, next group. Drum roll, please. Oh, Team E, Bambaha. Okay. Sige, disconnect na ako.
Kaya pala nag-video siya.
Wow.
Video namin. Okay.
Okay, so hi, kami ang Team Bambaha. Ulit, ano team namin? Bambaha. Yan, salamat. Okay, bakit Bambaha? Siyempre, Bambike, at alam naman natin kung gaano kahilig si Sir Brian na pagdadagdag ng mga pangalan. Bambaha, Bambukid, lahat, Bambaha. So, bakit baha? Siyempre, ngayon, binabaha tayo. So, ang gusto namin ipakita dito na kaya may mga dahon at saka, kaya may mga dahon para kasi nakikita natin na habang bumabaha, parang saka natin napapansin na kailangan natin pangalagaan ang ating kapaligiran. So, ito yung isang parang reminder na rin para sa lahat. Next.
So, meet our BAM builders. First, we have Kuya Miguel. Second, we have Kuya Freddy. Next is Kuya Choki.
Pakita ka naman.
Next, of course, we have Sir Eman. Next, me, Mika. And lastly, Kuya Carlo. Okay? Palakpak naman para sa kanila. Okay.
so bakit may dahon? So, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, ito yung isa parang reminder para sa atin na pagkatapos ng mga flood, mga baha na nangyayari, para nakikita natin yung importansya ng ating kapaligiran. Okay, bakit may cross? So, makikita nyo may cross sa loob. Ayan. Yung comments po. Sir! So bakit may cross? Kasi syempre, tayo mga Pilipino, kadalasan, kapag may mga sakuna o may mga nangyayari, ang pinupuntahan natin ay ang ating pananampalataya. So, yun. Next. So bakit bamboo? Of course, obvious naman, sustainability, and of course, ito yung mga gamit na gusto namin pakita na parang may iba't ibang uses.
Thank
Ayun
you,
lang.
Pure Bamboo po.
Pure bamboo, walang plastic. Kahit tignan nyo pa. Pero hindi naman namin sinasabing bawal gumamit ng mga recycled materials. Kasi marami yan, di ba? Nakikita man natin dyan sa beach. Kaya okay yan. Thank you.
Okay, congrats! Congrats! Okay, yung last group, Bambangka. Let's go, Team A.
Dito ka. So, ayun, maulang hapon po sa ating lahat. So, kami nga po pala ang Team Bambangka. At narito po ang aming bangka na gawa sa kawayan at upcycled materials. So, actually, itong bangka po namin ay hinango po namin sa mantra ng Bambay. Ito po yung people, planet, and progress. Okay? People, actually, it talks about us, tayo, mga bomb builders. Planet, so we actually use upcycled materials. So, makikita po natin na gumamit po kami ng tin cans, nakahawig din po ng kawayan. Ito. And also, green and brown is actually symbolized ng kawayan, yung color-coded na kawayan, yung green and brown. And also, makikita po natin dito, meron po kaming balsa or paddle and also pamingwit.
Bambuksay.
Bambuksay. Pamingwit. Okay? So, ito po, sinisimbolismo po nito, yung pagkakaisa po namin sa mga fisher folks na lumalaban po sa West Philippine Sea. Yeah. So, yun po yung pinalalaban po namin. And meron po rin kami ditong bow sa Pampana. Ito naman po ay sinisymbolismo po nito yung sa mga protector po siya sa mga illegal fisher folks natin na gumagamit po ng mga dynamite, something na papasabog sa dagat na nakakasira ng kalikasan natin. Okay? And yeah, progress, actually, it talks about sa future natin, specifically sa mga mangingisda natin, or maybe in the future ng Bambike Eco Tours or Bambike specifically, ay makakapagpalikha ng isang bangka na gawa sa kawayan na makakatulong po sa local community natin. And that's all. Maraming salamat.
Okay. Okay, great presentation from everyone. Now let's see. Very good, very good, very good. Let's see now, does it float? So what we'll do is, I think, yung first floating test, dun tayo sa labas. Tingnan natin. Tapos we're gonna give everybody a fair chance para sa karera because may iba-ibang sizes eh. Pero para for fun, one by one, we will have the team pick na saan sa karera, sa ruta. And then, tingnan natin. Pero yung una, let's go outside and let's see. Will it float? Saan tayo? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Ay, wali ko na Oh, baka dito, pwede testing muna yung basic. So now is the critical time where we see if they float. Ito yung pang float test, Ano, saan tayo? Try na dito na lang muna para pwede kita. Try na lang dito yung basic. Yay! Okay. Well, alam nyo, mag-float na yan. So, pero dito, para magandang picture.
Oh, lagay niyo na mga ano.
Pambangkay!
Bumbangay. Oy.
Oy! Oy, submarine yan! Oy! Oy! May tubig sa deck!
Nasa museum yan ah. Oh, binunggo! Wala, hindi nalutang ah.
Mababaw eh, mababaw eh.
Ang submarine.
Ano, bangka submarine. Oh. Oy, nasa bato yan. Nasa bato.
Pang malalim yung akin eh.
Dan 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 dan.
Sa amin din gumagalaw po.
Oh, bakit puno sa tubig? Submarine mode.
Mapangan ko to.
Okay. Oh, may laban. Oh.
Basta malalim dito eh. Huwag namin eh. Pang malalim
Okay, it's floating. Pero basa ang paa sa loob.
Paano makakalubog yung amin? Submarine yan. Lubog na lang. Ito kami, para malakas yung Danapan namin ito kami. Yan! Wait lang, wait lang. Ayan.
Okay. Bambaha.
Bambaha.
Unang kalaho.
Oh.
Unang kalaho. Oh.
Maliit ang daan.
One. Bahura. Two.
Oh, cola friend.
Yun.
Oo?
Oh, pwede ka pa magdasal.
Tinutulog na ako, gudayan. Nasayad? Nasayad.
Traffic.
Mababaw eh, no? Mababaw.
Ayun, galing. Oh. Oh. Yun. Okay, tapos na. Good job.
Sumayad. Eh. Smooth lang. Whoop. Mahal.
Oh.
Babalik yan.
Ah.
Babalik yan sa kanyang gusto.
Iwami ano eh.
May rudder eh.
May ito.
Kahit anong mangyari dyan.
Wow.
Sayang.
Sayad na.
Sayang na. Mababa na.
Okay, congrats. Congrats, mabilis.
Stable.
Okay, good job.
Yan lang yan.
Okay, okay. Pero parang may sail. Pwede i-try na. Oh. Uy, hawakan sa gitna.
Magaan yan, magaan.
Bilis. Bilis siya. Bilis. Mabilis yan, boy.
Oh, galing. Oh, may trick pa, may trick.
Tayong pasahero.
Wala na. Baha.
23 po.
Okay.
Wala na. Baha.
23 po.
Okay. Okay.
Bago tumama yung ano na ilalim. May ikatig kami.
Parang submarine.
Nako, submarine mode.
Oh, that's submarine niya. Yan, nalalagay yung kulog niya. Wala na. Naubos na yung gasolina.
Submarine siya. Na lang gas. May ano kasi ito. May radar kami, may radar na yung mga
Paliwanag.
basta.
Huwag paliwanag.
Pakita mo kung nino. Babaw babaw. Nababaw ka. Wala na, ayaw na talaga. Ikating tayo. Sige kami ikating mo. Kinakamay talaga to. Ayaw talaga yun, ang tinatulungan.
Okay, maganda pang display.
Okay, dito.
Wala to. Malalim na kasi dito eh. Diba? Malalim na. Malalim na. Bumabaw ah. Lipas namin sa pool. Gaji ko mga bako, kukain natin. Iba to.
Oh.
Nabawi yan. Alam niyo yung harapan eh. Dapat pala sila ilagay ng gamit. Oo nga eh. May controller kasi sa ilalim to eh. Sinasabi.
Okay.
Okay, out na.
Good job. Wow, may buhaya. Oh.
Sinut mo dun niya para mo siyang dagat.
Mabilis. Ito.
Alright, tayo.
At saka ready para may sagwan, may bambugsway. Wow. So ano, successful bamboat building workshop. Hey, oh sige.
Parade.
Pwede parade na. Ayun. Ayun ang magaling sa Oo. Yung design ni Deans. Bambadis. Ayun, submarine mode.
Wala na.
Diyan kami nalaban. Tatagalan lumuta.
Ay, nawala na.
Ano nangyari?
Natanggal yung ano? Dito sa rod, yung pagpalutang.
Huwag yun ay pili. Hindi naman natin nilagyan sa
Floating ano?
Wow, may sailboats ah.
floating
Best
natin.
floater.
Lumutang pa yung submarine, no? Engkong.
Okay, pag may alon, wala nang tao. Lunod na. Dito.
Hindi, wala lang kami time.
Pwede pa kayo magsimba.
Magsimba muna kayo.
Nasaan yung panalo dyan? Matibay ang
May cross.
may cross na yan eh.
May mga cross ang mananalo.
May cross na harapan eh. Kahit batuhin ko yan.
Wow, Lago Ligtasin. Lago de Ligtasin. Ingat ka diyan, wag kayo diyan, may buko. So, ito yung talagang float test. May dalawa na may konting problema. Oh, bam bodies. Tuyo na tuyo. Bambaha, okay na. Yung tatlo, okay na. Okay, so this is the first time we've ever done the Bamboat Workshop, but I think it was a great success. Ano guys, what do you think? Enjoy kayo? It's a good time, okay. So, this is a good experiment, and if this is something you guys might be interested in, let us know. Okay guys, everybody, Bambuhay. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Bambuhay! Alright. Then, ding.
Bawasan na naman to.
Wala pin ko ito champion.
Yun, Bamboat Parade. Walang agos. Good job everyone. Ooh, putik. Hey, Bamboats. Bambaha. And that's how we do a rainy day team building.
Pag naubutan ng... Ay, sumayod yung propeller.
Ay, yun.
Konti lang, sumayod yung propeller.
Good job.
All right. Turned out well.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. While we were away, Falcor got something. What did you get? Hello, what did you do? What did you do?